Perform this exercise lying on your back with your hips and knees flexed. Lightly contract your pelvic floor and lower abdominal muscles. Tilt your pelvis to flatten your lower spine towards the floor. Hold this position before tilting your pelvis to arch your lower spine away from the floor. Repeat these movements to perform this muscular control exercise. Ensure your torso, shoulders, and your breathing stay relaxed throughout the exercise. When performed correctly, you should feel this exercise gently working your abdominal muscles, gluteal muscles, and lower spinal extensor muscles.